Fix what?
Fix this.
Fix
Look,
what?
Fix this shit.
No, man. No.
Fix the fucking shit.
Oh, no, this is not a fucking...
I'll move him. Fuck, fix the fucking shit. Fix the shit. Fix this. Get on up there and fix the shit.
Where?
Fix the fucking cables. Fix them.
Okay. See, I'm trying.
Get up there and fix the shit. Don't be down here.
Okay. Listen. See this thing. This is the reason why your car is not starting the engine. See, even here, this cannot move. The tire needs air. So you have to organize a petrol pump to pump this tire. Wait, man. Hey, wait. I'm telling you. Come, follow me. You see, even this one, it
I'm
needs...
not fucking move, yeah?
Hey, this one needs air. Wait, man. Wait, let me explain. I will fix this thing. Understand? Good. Now, hold here. Hold. Aye, man. I'm telling you to wait there. I'm still doing this thing. I'll fix it.
Fix that shit. I want to fucking see you fix that shit. Fix it.
Man. This thing will start.
This is a fucking joke. This is my fucking life. Fix that fucking shit.
What life? This is a life. Never, no. Hey, this is not your life, man. I'm fixing it, huh? Man, see, this steering can't move. It needs a windscreen so it can move. What? Hey, what now? Hey, wait. I'm explaining. When I'm doing what?
Fix the fucking shit, you fucking
shit. This is not a shit. This is a... Oh, man, you know what? You don't know anything. Wait. You don't know. See, even this one. See? Wait, man.
Just get up and then fucking fix the shit. I'm not fucking playing with you.
Okay.
I'm not fucking playing. Fix the fucking shit.
Okay.
You think it's a fucking joke? You're playing about petrol pump.
No.
Why you fucking fix the tire with the petrol pump? You fucking
man, this thing can't be fixed. What is your problem? What is your problem now? Because I'm telling you.